ugly, you're messy, and you're dirty.
You dirty! Look at you!
Yeah. What? To my office, young lady. To my office. So if you're not here to learn,
it's either you are born into wealth or you are born into poverty.
let this be an example to you all.
Time for a fight back!
You had consequences.
Welcome to Reekez Academy, where I, Joanna Johnson, run teams. It's a typical high school where you have the hot girls. This is Tiki and a gang. Hot girls only. Yes, not the wannabe hot girls. As I was saying, only hot girls alone. Then you have the hot boys. Yeah, eyes off. This one is mine. Then you have the hot boys, galleys, choppers, and the bad man. Yeah, but then you have the nerds.
Love you, Joanna!
And the one that will
save the world!
the one that will always try to save the world. School is filled with talents. You have a talented one. This is a place to be. Reekez Academy and for Joanna Johnson. Talk to me. Look out for me now. How could I forget? The mad one them in a Bellevue, but in a school. What? Anyways, Reekez Academy.
student, put away the phone before I confiscate it. To the auditorium in Single Falls. I'll be there within 5 minutes. Go ahead. Come on, walk.
Girl, I'm so glad I was in the car this morning. It's all in the walk, girl. It's all in the walk.
Holy Spirit! Nobody move! Put your man, police! Miss Bubbles Roach, stop right there! You think you was going to get away with it, eh? Eh? You leave your lunch on the table.
This is not necessary.
What you say?
This is not necessary.
I can't hear you.
All right, thank you.
Daddy love you, baby girl. Let me wait, you're not going to tell me about.
All right, we love you. Jesus Christ.
What you say? I can't hear you.
All right, we love you.
Yo, that is good.
Attention, students! Now, as the principal of this glorious institution, crafted by my own two hands, I am looking forward to a superb term of learning and achievement. This year will be an interesting year for Reekez Academy. This year will be an outstanding year for you all as students of Reekez Academy. I will be stamping each and every one of you who are here to waste the government's money and resources one-way visa off this premises. So if you're not here to learn, please step forward. Young lady out there. Oh dear. Come. Let us have her go to the office. Await me at the office. Let this be an example to you all. I will not accept indiscipline in this institution.
Quite so.
We stand on our...
Hope I'm not late.
Mr. Bruce! Where? Where is the license plate? Mr. Bruce! No wonder your daughter is like that, huh?
Yes.
What is the example you're setting? Hey, Mr. Bruce? That...
You're just a
Yes,
sneak.
man.
You're just a sneak up on the ice, so.
What?
Why your problem?
My problem is that, Timon, why couldn't she be like her sister? I am going to ensure she gets kicked from this institution. We are going to boot her out if she don't behave herself. Listen, she's doing everything that is wrong. Her grades is not as high as they should be. She's barely been a productive part of this institute. How dare she walk into my devotion and having up her phone in the...
You know, so the Empress is a teenager. A teenager thing that, man. The Ivy just calm down, man.
Mr. Bruce, it's only because you're a part of the teaching members of staff here. You're a member of... I am very upset.
Alright, I got talk to her.
I am upset.
I got talk to her, Mr.
The
Principal.
next time I see her with that cell
Mr.
phone,
I got talk to her.
home.
I got talk to the Empress, alright?
We need to have a session with Miss Johnson. I can't
I will
listen to
talk
this.
to her.
I cannot.
I will talk to her.
You make sure.
I'll go on like a princess.
I'm here, Daddy. I have some exciting news. Alright, listen me out. Right?
Yeah.
So, there's this fashion design
Party.
yeah, and but all of the fashion designers, top fashion designers will be there and please.
Oh, you not want exam tomorrow?
Yes, study, but we still don't have time to study. Forgive me just 1 hour.
Princess, me not like that thing, you know. You have the principal dep on my case.
Oh, this is my dream. I need this. Just 1 hour, Daddy, and I promise we will finish. I will study. And you can even help me study.
Jaja. You know, I can't say no. I can't say no to you. Alright, yo. 1 hour. 1 hour and you come back and we study like in the good old days. See?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright.
Alright, Daddy.
Joanna, Bubbles. Some of you snap now.
No, who's that? Who's him? No. I can't be seen with him.
You want to see it?
Excuse.
You just want to go and see my
I was here this morning. I was here. What is? Where you get that? The thrift store? No, sir. You can't buy good clothes, girl. Then I'll buy this shoes, yeah? What shoes? You're not in our league. Catch me now. What? Your daddy have to go and pay this to buy your shoes. Man. Take out this man. Let us not even start. Look at that. We can sponsor for some money. What is that? Or we can buy some shoes. Oh my God. And do your ear. Buy bag. No, come back around here. No. I'm not going to walk in front of me like say. Don't do that again, man. Not in a full class. No. The parents, if you look better. what the sound poor.
Exactly. I don't know what them is.
Right?
Good morning. Students, come this side for me. I will not accept bullying in this institution. You will not be bullying these students. And you following her. Huh? You see the next time I have to speak to you about bullying, you will go home because you're so privileged. You see the need to jump up and down on students. No, Joanna. Deal with people like how you'd have them deal with you. You hear me? And you. Look at you. Huh?
Look at you.
What? What? Look at you.
Look at you.
What is this? What is this? Huh? You running behind her. Listen to me, young lady. Put yourself together because I don't know what this is. You're untidy, you're messy, and you're dirty.
You dirty. Look at you.
What? To my office, young lady. To my office.
Baby girl, always remember the secret to life is looking good all the time. Good looks will catch you a good man.
Mom, I'm going shopping with my friends.
Make sure you use protection.
Mom, I'm just 16.
I was 16 when I had you.
Babe, we can't just have some time for myself. Why am I follow me? Like me, I go do you something. I'm gonna have on. What the fuck, I'm kind of pregnant.
So Jackie Chia try to drop on your big boss. Now set up.
Set up.
You sure, man?
You're no sense. I have my eyes for you for a very long time. Don't you want a toy girl that would do anything for you? Anything?
Ian John Moon will face all the consequences because I will not have it repeated. I have a personal interest in your academic development.
Where you look pretty from? Liquor again. Wait, liquor.
Just want him to like me.
It doesn't make sense.
It's okay, you can say your piece.
Miss Kim is a wicked little girl.
I saw that part take my name one.
Look like your mama.
I know the truth. What? John Bull may have taken the picture, but Joanna was the one who
Joanna said, say, oh, speed bar, eat her seafood.
Really?
Style a child style, man.
Yeah, style, brother.
But you know, me I hear say you tell people and I can't my name about say your money.
What me say? What me do?
Yo, Bubble say, Blossom say, Joanna say, you say, brother. Brother, watch out now.
Don't worry, Joanna. I promise you, you'll be able to do CXC in prison.